Preview.
Hi everyone, welcome to Coders Diaries. In this course, I'm gonna teach you what is HTML and how to use it. This course is specially made for beginners. So if you are a beginner and interested in web development, then this course is for you. The entire course is divided into multiple lessons, and in each lesson, there is a video on a particular topic, like text, lists, links, images, tables, forms, and whatever you need to know regarding HTML is present in our course. By the end of this course, I will also show you how to use the HTML elements you have learned throughout this course by creating the markup of a production-ready restaurant website. In our next CSS from Scratch course, I will also share you how CSS can be used to complete the project.